What are controlled components in React? Do they control something?
Yes, a control component is a form element like an input box that React completely controls using state.
Oh, so React is the one keeping track of what's inside the input.
Exactly. Normally, when you type in an input box, the browser keeps track of what you type. But with control components, React takes over and stores the value in state instead.
Why would React want to do that?
Because it gives us more control. We can update, change, or even clear the input anytime using state. Here's an example.
Oh, so the input value comes from name, and when I type set, name updates it?
Exactly. The upchanger function updates the state, and React re-renders the input with the new value.
So the input isn't just doing its own thing. React is watching and controlling it the whole time.
That's right. This makes it easy to do things like validate input, clear it when needed, or change it based on other actions.
So a controlled component is just an input box or form element that React keeps in state instead of letting the browser handle it?
You got it. That's why it's called controlled React is in charge.